Hi everyone, happy Twinchie First Tuesday, the first Tuesday in April 4th. I think my calendar's not changed. Whoops. Yes, I believe it'll be April 4th. Anyway, um, I have some mixed media Twinchies for you today. I used a lot of different things: watercolor paper, soft pastels, and with water, stickles, flowers from 49th and Market and Prima, several different dyes. The one that goes with this long retired Dragonfly Dreams, this one here. I had some gold dragonflies, and You Are an Inspiration from this stamp set, and this Bow Bunny Rough It Up stamp, and this graphic 45 number, no, I don't know what it's called, but I used this one, this one, this moth, and this dragonfly, and this. And then also I did some work with some texture paste, and I used also Sunico Gold, Vegas Gold. Stampin' Up! Used to sell this. I think you can still get it in stores some places maybe, but they don't sell it anymore. And I used this stencil and this stars one, just one star on three of them. For card bases, I used Gorgeous Grape, Bermuda Bay, and Shaded Spruce. However, I covered part of the Bermuda Bay. When I was looking for those flowers, I found this washi was it was in a gift. These flowers and this were together, so somebody had gifted them to me, and so I used most of this on the edges. Several of them have two sides, and this one only has one side because they kept tearing on me. Anyway, these four, I decided to cover the Shaded Spruce with this beautiful washi. Do not ask me where I got any of this stuff from because I don't remember. I've had this stuff for ages. Isn't that pretty and flowery? And then these four on the Gorgeous Grape, I didn't even remember having some of this stuff, so I had this one. And again, I don't know where I got it, but I need to use washi because I have a lot of it. And then I also had pulled this one out, but I didn't end up using it. But this would have been okay also, either on probably the purple or the Coastal Cabana, not the green ones. But anyway, you get the idea. I use stickles. I use this purple one, which doesn't have a name on it, and I think it came in a Halloween 3-pack. This Cool Mint, which I think was the first time I ever used it. Those were the only two stickles I used. I used a Sharpie gold paint pen, oil-based. That was to go around the edges of the Twinchies. So basically, oh, and I used some Firefly collage kit, just some of the words out of this sheet on here. And did I already say stays on? Azure and forest green inks, as well as some black. When I was using the Bow Bunny stamp, I have some black on there too. And art glitter glue is what I used to hold it all together. And oh, and this little dragonfly punch I punched out of white, but I colored with Gorgeous Grape, these two and this one, and four of them. I colored with Gorgeous Grape and Coastal Cabana ink with a little itty bitty blending brush. Well, actually what I did is I used Gorgeous Grape on the big one, and then I brought the Coastal Cabana in with this little one I got off Amazon in a kit years ago. Okay, so those are my Twinchies. If you are interested in watching a process video, that will be my next video up after this one. It is a little long. I don't know, maybe I will have shortened it by the time you see this. So if you want to see me working with the watercolor and how I got to the final result, be sure to watch that video and I'll explain it in a lot more detail, and you'll see me doing some of the stamping and so forth. I really had a lot of fun with this. I've been wanting to do some mixed media kind of stuff. I did get a little lazy with these flowers, but I went in my I have 2 big flower bins, and those were the last 3 of those type of gifted to me flowers, and I thought the colors went well, so I decided to just go ahead and use them. I love them all. Do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. I really would appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. You know the routine. And help me get recognized in the YouTube algorithm a little better again, because my views are like way down. Anyway, yeah, I do appreciate you coming. Have a wonderful April. For those that celebrate it, happy Easter. Great time, right? And I will talk to you again very soon, like on the 5th. Bye for now.